Okay guys, ngayon ay Martes. May duty ako ngayon. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Okay guys, dito na ako sa loob ng SM. Let's go guys. Duty na tayo. Yo, what's up? Yung okay.
Pang-reels na ba yan?
Pang reels, oo. Dami nanonood sa reels eh, kaya sa reels muna tayo. Okay guys, duty na ako ngayon. Kita-kits tayo mamaya. Let's go.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I meant.
Okay mga kaibigan, ngayon high break time ko na. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go.
Three hours later.
Okay guys. Okay mga kaibigan. Nandito ako sa likod ng SM galing sa amin. Kumain. At duty na uli ngayon. Okay guys, time check. 11:28 na. Pauwi na ako ngayon. Kakalabas lang namin sa trabaho. Okay. Medyo nakakapagod pero enjoy lang. Okay, kasama ko si John Eric. Yan.